So here's our header, and I'm just going to take my light, I'm going to shine it in here, and yeah, you can see there's a little couple spots of light. So where that is right around the cone, or there's a cone on the inside that helps the air go from each of the primaries into the collector, and the weld is cracked at the end of those. So what I was thinking, because I can't really get down in there with the MIG welder, but if I cut the collector off, then I can go in there, re-weld it, and then I can just weld the collector back on. And it just costs me nothing but time, $0, and then I have a functioning header again. So that's what we'll do. Poop. So here is our header, and we kind of used the light when it was evening, and basically where each of the primaries are welded on the inside to the collector, I don't know if you can see, but I can see there's cracks in there, and that's where we saw light when we shine the light on the other side. You can still see it here. I'm not sure if you can, but I can. Anyway, there is little tiny spots of light where the cracks and the welds are. Over and above that, looking at it on kind of a plan on what to do here, it's actually got a crack on the outside as well. So what the plan is going to be is I'm going to try and fix it. So I'm going to lay out some cut lines on this. I'm going to cut it here at the collector flange, right, all the way around. Remove the actual collector so I can get into the primary tubes in there, weld those up, and then weld the flange back to that. And we should be good to go. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go. Okay, let's have a look. So here is where our collector comes all together. And right in here, this is where the cracks are. Right? Crack in here, crack in here. So I'm going to clean that up and then just re-weld it where this cone, Venturi cone or whatever it is, it's to smooth the pulses from all the primaries as it goes into the collector. So I'm going to deburr this, clean up or grind down some of those loose welds, and then we'll get the welder set up and burn it in. So there we are, cleaned up. You can see the gaps in where the primaries come together and where the turbulence cone is. I'm going to dig the welder up. I got to switch out the wire for some stainless wire, and then we'll burn that in. Trying to fill all the holes. Here we go. So created a gap, just spaced out the flange with some washers so I could kind of fill to the gap. Come on, focus, there we go. Had to be careful with the heat because it's just tubing, so it's fairly thin. We're good. Did the flashlight test, and there's no light showing through. Used some alignment marks here. You can kind of see what's left of it. I just drew a couple alignment marks so the angle was correct. And we're back in business. So now all that's left is get it back on the truck.